Hey guys, how you going? Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how to make a really simple but effective sales funnel specifically for affiliate marketing purposes. Okay, so today's video I'm going to be heading over to ClickBank, picking a product, building a landing page, building an email sequence, connecting that product to the landing page, connecting the email sequence to the landing page. Okay, so you need a sales funnel in affiliate marketing. Everyone needs it. It's one of 3 crucial elements to succeed at affiliate marketing. First element obviously is your product. Second element is a sales funnel. And the third element is driving traffic. Okay, so this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to do that really quickly and really simply. I'll see you there. Alright, so before I jump on the laptop and show you how to build a sales funnel, if you're new to my channel, my name is Lauren Watson. I'm a stay-at-home mum of 3 girls. I'm also an affiliate marketer, which I do from home. Now, I've been doing this since the start of 2019. I'm learning lots, and this channel is dedicated to sharing what I'm learning about affiliate marketing. You know, the tips I'm picking up along the way, I'm going to share that. So if you find this video helpful, and if you'd like to see more of my videos, click that subscribe button so you don't miss out. I'll be doing a lot more of these kind of how-to videos and sharing with you some of the tools and tips that I'm picking up along the way. Also in the description below is a link to my Facebook affiliate marketing group, which you haven't joined already, jump on. I strive to provide lots of good value in that group. It's growing quickly and I'm very active in that group. So join that group below and now let's get into it. All right, so here we are. All right, so I'm not going to go into how to set up an account with ClickBank. You know, it's free. Just make an account, really easy, log in. All right, log into your ClickBank account. Now, this is just a really simple way. If you've got products that aren't on ClickBank, that's fine. You can still use this method. I'm just showing you step by step how to grab a product, how to make a funnel, how to connect the product to the funnel. Okay, so I'm in ClickBank. You got here to Marketplace, and just to save time, I'm just going to hit this search button, and that brings up like the most popular product. And I'm just going to grab this one right at the top, Flat Belly Fix. It's obviously a health weight loss product that's obviously selling really well. All right, so I'm just going to go to the sales page here to show you a bit what it's about. All right, super simple method, accidentally melted off 84 pounds of fat. Okay, kind of sounds spammy. Anyway, prefer to read. I'll get the sales page here. All right, discover how I helped my crippled wife shed 23 pounds. Okay, so what you want to do, a lot of the products have a affiliate page here. You want to click on that affiliate page, and it will give you different ideas to promote it, I guess, different resources. So look, this has got email swipes here, which we'll come back to later. All right, so the purpose of a sales funnel, you don't just want to send people straight to the sales page, because people click on it, they might go, oh, that sounds interesting. They'll probably get distracted with something and then forget about it. If you've got a sales funnel, you capture their email and then take them to the sales page. That's a really simple method. Obviously, sales funnels can get really complicated where you can have like a few different pages leading up to the sales page. But for this example, I'm just going to do a really simple sales funnel just to show you what you can do really simply. All right, so I'm going to head over to the platform that I use to build sales funnels, and it's called Builderall. I'm going to leave a link below to a 7-day free trial with Builderall. They also have a 30-day money-back guarantee. So yeah, check it out below. I'll leave that link there, and I'll just show with you how simple and easy it is to build a sales funnel with Builderall. So I'm logged in, I've made an account. Over here, builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect Builder, and I'm going to go over here and click new website. All right, so you can click here on the sales funnel, All right, and I'm going to go find a, all right, so I'm going to go down here to lead magnet funnel. These are the different templates for the different funnels that you can use for different purposes. There's lots of different funnels, like I said before, different purposes, different ways of funneling your leads to where you want to take them. All right, so here is the template of the funnel. I'm going to go back to the flat belly fix and just copy a bit of this. Copy. Oops. Paste. All right. Now I'm not going to go through like how to edit things and stuff, because obviously there's like lots of training and tutorials for Builderall. I don't like the word crippled, so I'm going to take that out. So I'm just going to show you how I'm using it really. Okay, so I'm just going to edit this a bit, get it a bit bigger, bold it, make it stand out a bit red. Alright, and subheading here, I can go back to the sales page and use this without starving herself, with blah, 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 blah. Copy that. Paste. Alright. I'm just going to do a bit of editing. A bit smaller. Okay. Now I can put an image here. So I'm just going to go to this add button over here and image. Now I'll go over here and pick an image. Put it over here and make it smaller. Okay, now I've gone over to my the sales page here of the product, and I've found a picture that I could use on my funnel. That one right there. See, I've already saved it onto my laptop, and now I'm just going to go change image here, and I've uploaded it into the Builderall, and now I'm going to just put it here. See, there it is, and confirm. Okay. So there it is. Discover how I helped my wife shed 23 pounds without starving herself, without doing any exercise. There's a picture. I'm just gonna edit that a bit. You can put your logo there if you've got a brand. You know how to brand yourself. Okay, and now I'm going to talk about the email opt-in page. Okay, so what you want to do when they click this button, so obviously they put their name and email in, they click this button, which is going to be find out how now, something like that. Confirm. Okay, and then to take them to the sales page, you want to change the URL here. Okay, it's asking me to save it, which I'll just do now. So I've saved it. Now what I want to do is go over here and change the URL. So it's going to take me to put in their email address, click that button, and then it'll take them to the sales page. So they have to, when they confirm their email, it'll take them to this page. Actually, sorry. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put your affiliate link in here to the sales page. All right, so you want to put your affiliate link in here. Now to get your affiliate link, you want to go back to the marketplace here, press promote on the product, and you've got your user ID here, and generate your link. Now that's your link there. So copy that, bring it back over to the editor and paste it in there. That's your affiliate link. All right, so confirm. Okay, confirm. And now what you want to do, okay, you need to now connect it to an email autoresponder. Okay, because the point of capturing their email is so you've actually got them so they're not lost. Once they leave that page, you've got their email, and people don't generally buy something the first time they see it. They might think, oh, that looks cool, but then kind of forget about it. With emails, you can remind them how good the product is once they've put in their email. Okay, so I'm going to go back to Builderall. Builderall has its own email autoresponder because it's an all-in-one platform. It's amazing, amazing value. For only $29 a month, you get all this plus the email autoresponder. And then for $49 a month, you get a lot more tools, and you can actually, where is it? There it is, Mailing Boss autoresponder. So I'm not going to go through how to set this up. It's really easy. You just need to kind of create your account, put your email address in and your name. So what you want to do is you want to make a new list, because this list is going to be connected to this funnel. Okay, so I'm going to just press create new. Okay, I'm going to write flat belly fix, display name flat belly fix, description flat belly fix. All right, next. Okay, the form has been successfully saved. Good, save changes. All right, so now I'm going to come back over to the editor, right click, configure email marketing, and look, it comes up here, Mailing Boss. It's already connected. Okay, so it's got my details there, and look, flat belly fix, the list. So I'm going to connect this list to this funnel. Okay, it's now connected. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back over to the affiliate resource page for this product, flat belly fix, and a lot of products have email swipes that you can use that you don't have to make up yourself. Okay. So here's an email that you can use, that you can set up straight away. So you go into your Mailing Boss, flat belly fix. What you want to do is you want to go to campaign email sequence. New email sequence, name flat belly fix, follow up, list flat belly fix. Okay. All right, save and edit email sequence, and now you can go in and make an email sequence. So literally, when you've got a really good affiliate page like this product does, it's got email swipes that you can just come in. Oh, here it is, right here. Okay, subject, 1 cup tomorrow morning burns 3 pounds of belly fat. Copy that, paste that. Okay, so what you want to do here, copy that, paste, and then you just got to put your affiliate link in. So you got to go back there, get your affiliate link, copy, put your link in here. All right, then you sign off. I mean, obviously you can personalize it if you want. I'm just showing you how to make a sequence. All right, so now you want to figure out when you want to send it. So if you wanted to get it sent straight away, when they opt in straight away, just put like minute. or hour, 0 hour. See, after subscribe, it'll send it straight away. Save changes, and you want to click activate. All right, so that's set up. Not yet. Activate. And now we'll go into, see if they've got another email. See, there's like, right, so you can do like a really long email sequence if you want. So I'll just do another one just to show you how to do it. Copy that, go back into Mailing Boss, and then add an email. And then you literally just do that again, copy and paste the emails from the email sequence from the affiliate page. Make sure it's activated, make sure you change the time, like you might want to do this the next day. So then you do like after day 1, okay? And then you just make an email list, an email sequence for this product. Okay, so you go back over to the email editor. That's set up to Mailing Boss, you know, and that's ready to go. All you need to do now is connect it to your domain. Obviously, you need your own domain. You can get it for like $10 at GoDaddy.com. Really easily. So obviously you find your sites over here. I'll just really quickly show you how to connect your domain. Flat belly here, see? So then you just got to go over here, connect domain, and then wait a couple of hours, it'll be ready to go. And that is how you build a sales funnel with Builderall, with a ClickBank product, with a really awesome email sequence to go. And now you just have to drive traffic to it, and bang, you get your commissions. So there you go. All right, guys, so there you have it. That's how you build a high converting, quick, fast, simple sales funnel with a landing page and a killer email sequence to a ClickBank affiliate product. Now, if this was helpful, I'd really appreciate the like and comment below if you have any questions. And remember, I'll put that link to the Builderall 7-day free trial as well, so you can check it out. You can make your own sales funnel in like 10 minutes, like I just did really quickly. See how it goes, connect it to your domain, get an email sequence set up like I showed you, and start getting some affiliate commissions. So yeah, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate the support, and I'll see you next time.